Hey there! Now let's move from horizontal to vertical alignment in Flexbox. This is where align items and align content come into play. Align items aligns flex items along the cross axis, which is vertical when using flex direction. You can stretch, center, or push items to the start or end. The default value is stretch, which makes all items fill the container's height, if no fixed height is set. Other values like center, flex start, and flex end help you control alignment. Align content is similar, but it only applies when you have multiple rows of content. It controls the spacing between those rows, like justify content, but in the vertical direction. If your content wraps and creates more than one line, align content helps you distribute space across rows with options like space between, space around, or center. So we have two examples. One using align items in a single row layout and another using align content with a wrap layout containing multiple rows. When in the vault, use align item first. Only use align content when you expect multiple lines of flex items. So now you understand what is the vertical alignment. So now we are ready to build layouts that look good in both directions with a mini project. See you there.